Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Tails OS 6.15 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Tails OS and download. Tails OS official website is tails.net. Hit enter. Then click on install Tails. Then see here the latest version is Tails 6.15. Okay, download it by going to scroll down, click on burning a Tails DVD. See here we have the Tails OS 6.15 ISO image. Click on it, or you can download by using this BitTorrent link. Either is fine. Click on download. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, download started and its size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Either is same. Click on next. Now select the installer disk image file. Then go to downloads directory. Then select the Tails OS 6.15 ISO image. Then click on next. Then select type as Linux, subtype as version as Debian. Then click on next. Then provide the name. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Now provide the hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Click on next. See, by default memory is selected as 2 gigabytes. If you want to increase, click on this customize hardware. I am going to increase it to 4 gigabytes. Then click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or select it and click on VM and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Now use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 6.15. Hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press Ctrl Alt key from keyboard to release the cursor. See, now we got the welcome to Tails screen. Now we have to configure. Okay, if you want to see here, we have the languages and formats, persistent storage and additional settings. Okay, if you want to select the language, see by default it has selected English United States. If you want some other location, just click on it. Then you can set the language by searching, by checking this one, or you can search here also. Okay, I am okay with the English, keyboard layout, formats, all these I am okay. If you want to enable persistent storage, you have to on this one. Then additional settings, click on this plus button to set. See here we have the option to set the administration password. It is off. MAC address anonymization, it is on. Offline mode, enable. Okay, unsafe browser and network connection. Okay, I want only configure administration password. If you want these you have to click on it. Set the password for administration, confirm the same, then click on add. Okay, I don't want other options. So if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. See, now we got the tar connection. If you want to connect to tar automatically, select this radio button and click on connect to tar. See, it is connecting. Now if you go to activities, now if you go to applications, see here we have the different applications. Even if you click on this activities, then click on show applications, see you got the list of the applications like onion, circuits, etc. Okay, cancel it. See, successfully connected to tar. Click on start tar browser. At a moment tar browser will be opened. In meantime, open terminal. Go to all applications, open terminal. Let me increase the font of the terminal. Preferences. See, in the background we have the tar browser. Okay, now verify the version of the Tails OS that we have installed. See, we have installed Tails OS 6.15. Okay, if you to quit, Ctrl A. The first step after connecting to Tails OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of administration. Hit enter. See, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tails OS 6.15 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.